Okay, this is the Skeeter Beaters. Window screens to keep out little tiny mosquitoes and no-see-ums and stuff. They come in a nice little pouch, and there's two in the bag. I got the front set for the front windows on our Sprinter. And let's see, they have magnets, so they stick together pretty good. You put them together like that, you can hear them snapping around. And the easiest thing to do is find the corner. And that looks like the bottom here because it's got the tag on it. So if that's the bottom, this will be the top. And just there you go. And that should stop a lot of little mosquitoes from coming in. Alright, well there it is. It's attached with the magnets, and it just covers the window up. That should keep out the mosquitoes and little gnats and stuff. Well, when it's time to take them down, I've got the one down from the other side, and you just put it like this. This is a kind of an easy way of doing it. And just put it right there on the bottom so they're kind of lined up. And then this way you can kind of overlap them with each other. And just kind of do the initial folding on the van. Like that. And they go back into the little sack pretty easy this way. There we go. So the next time you want to use them, they're kind of all, not all wadded up and stuff. There they are, Skeeter Beaters. $60 online.